Touchdown Los Angeles, California, where James Byrne lives.
Na-late si Becky Latch.
So
bihira ako malate.
Oo, ngayon lang siya na-late. Sobrang traffic dito sa airport. But anyway, after ilang hours, 13 hours. So, umalis ako ng Philippines, gabi. Pagdating ko dito, gabi pa rin. Parang 15 hours ahead ang Philippines. So, ayun guys, hindi ko na alam kung paano yung body clock ko. But, yeah, we're going to explore LA for 7 days ba or 6 days? Mga ganon. 6 days, 7 days. And then, kami ay lilipad papunta naman sa Calgary. So, andun naman si Ronan and Kuya Wawi. So, yes! Going to be a fun
reunion.
And 3 weeks. Grabe guys.
Ang daming ganap.
Si Ronan mas maraming plano. So, yeah! First order of business. In-N-Out Burger at 11 PM. Saktong-sakto lang. Hindi pa naman daw kumakain si James. Ayan si Ronan. Hi! Ayan guys, so try na natin yung In-N-Out Burger.
Angel's Burger.
Sarap! It's good.
And we usually eat this with this. With the jalapeno.
Good morning. Ay, good afternoon na pala. As in, grabe. Grabe yung jet lag ko. Hindi ko kinakaya.
We woke up at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. For today, wala naman kami masyadong gagawin. Errands day lang. Kasi kailangan ko bumili ng mga pantulog. Kasi nakalimutan ko. And then, sim. And then, bili-bili naman kung ano-ano. So, magka-target kami and stuff. So, yeah. Nakakuha na ako ng sim sa T-Mobile. I spent $75 but that's for 1 month, unlimited everything. Tapos kasama na doon yung Canada. And now we are at Target. Actually, wala, ikot-ikot lang kung ano lang mabili. Cute dito sa Target. Meron silang trial and travel. So, super liliit. May mga shampoo, lotion, facial wash. Aliw na aliw ako. Ang daming pwedeng bilhin dito sa Target. Kakaloka. May nabudol ako with the Owala. Gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang straw. So, kung iinom ka, ganun lang.
Pwede pang
ganon, if you want. For very late lunch, I'm going to try Chipotle. Kasi wala sa Pilipinas. So, sabi ni James, masarap daw and healthy. Good. Good. Next is Ulta Beauty dahil 110 sila dito sa US. So yung Dyson ko hindi ko magagamit kasi 220 yun.
So Dyson, if you guys are planning to make a dual voltage
dapat
hair dryer,
sana,
I think it will sell really well.
Yes. So today, maghahanap tayo ng dual voltage. So every time I travel, magagamit ko siya if 110 or 220. Tatry natin dito sa Ulta, sana meron. Ang dami pagpipilian pero hindi ko sure kung dual voltage ba itong mga to. So, tatanungin natin kung meron.
We're here in Redondo Beach. Just enjoying the marina. Eating clam chowder, calamari.
It's 6 na, diba? 6:30.
7 p.m.
Yeah, pero medyo, but it's gloomy. Hopefully, it doesn't rain. But yeah, it's cold. Mga 18 degrees na dito. Pauwi na kami. It was an eventful day. Parang first day pa lang. Ang dami na namin ginawa. I got tampons, hair tie. Ang cute nito, Advil na travel size. And then, Elf na primer. Maganda daw to eh. Then I got facial wash. Ito din. Nag-Sephora din ako.
May travel size.
Travel size na one size fixing spray. Maganda daw to. Setting spray. Skincare from Paula's Choice. Yung nabili ko from Conair. This is already worldwide use. 110 to 220 na to. So, kung kahit saan man ako mapunta, magagamit ko siya. Good morning! Lumalabas kami ni James. Patanghali na. Dahil nagbe-breakfast pa kami and everything. So, andito na kami sa gas station. Sa Pilipinas sila ang gagawa. Dito is kanya-kanya. Sino ka dyan? Guys, look at that. Hollywood sign. Ayun yung Hollywood sign. Tapos dito yung photo area. Kakapagod guys kasi pababa siya. So, galing kami doon yung area. So, akitin nyo talaga yan. Dito tayo sa The Grove, guys. And according to James, ito yung parang green belt. Sama ba?
Parang ganon.
Parang ganon.
It's hard to explain.
Basta high-end.
Basta parang, the last time I was here, Jimmy Fallon, dumandaan lang, yung mga ganon.
Basta high-end mall siya. Ganon. Parang kang nasa Universal Studios.
Parang ganon.
Diba?
Vibe.
Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi siya mukhang mall, pero mall siya. So, a lot of brands. Diyos ko, yung credit card dito, tago ko muna.
Ayan, hello, alo. Ayan na.
Ay, nako. Ang mahal-mahal
Binubulol kasi ni
dyan.
Ronan, bumili sa
Oo.
inyo ng alo.
But it's so expensive, guys. I think parang isang leggings dyan, parang 5,000 pesos. Diyos ko. We're gonna get coffee. And since ba't ako nag-Ilocano? Since marami yung pila, feeling namin masarap dito. But it's a cute cafe. Ayan siya. So, it's called La La Land. Kumuha din kami ng cupcakes from here. Sabi ni James, masarap daw. So, red velvet yung sa kanya.
Pero hindi siya fan.
Ng red velvet. So, I'll try lemon meringue. Let's see if it's good. In fairness, it's good. Masarap din tong lemon meringue. Masarap din yung red velvet. Di siya nakakaumay. It's just that, ang messy niya kainin, guys. As in, tingnan, sobrang messy. We are at Rodeo Drive. So, sabi ni James, dito daw yung mga shopping area. This area, ayan, kung makita nyo, Tiffany & Co., Van Cleef, all the brands. Hindi naman kami bibili, titingin lang naman. So, this is Santa Monica Pier. So, may carnival daw dyan. It's very famous LA tourist spot.
Oh my God! Ano to? Nag-swing pa siya?
Oh, make me feel I am falling.
Nag-photo booth kami, guys. Tignan mo naman mga itsura namin. Dumb and Dumber pa yung nakalagay. 10 PM na and naka-change outfit and look na ako kasi pupunta kami sa West Hollywood because it's June 1st and it's Pride Month. So, maraming kaganapan dito sa LA, of course. As an ally, I need to support my gay bestie. So, siya ay manlalan dito na charing. For me, I can't drink, so I'll just join the party and have fun. So, iiwan ko na kayo dito, guys. Hindi ko nadadalhin tong vlogging camera dahil I will have fun tonight. Hi, guys! Good morning! Kagabi, it was a very fun night. Sabi namin hanggang 2 AM lang kami. Mga 3 na kami nakauwi, 4 na kami nakatulog. Basta it was an eventful night. A very eventful night. So West Hollywood kasi, it's a strip of bars. May mga sumasayaw doon na yung mga naka-brief lang.
At hindi lang sumasayaw. May mga uma-attend na naka-brief lang.
Yes. Anong tawag mo? Jockstrap?
Naka-jockstrap lang sila.
Oo. As in, as a Filipina, syempre nakaka-culture shock. So today, we're going to...
So, dahil walwal kahapon, we're being cultured today. We're going to the museum.
Museum naman. So, what museum to, Bes?
The Broad Museum.
Broad Museum. And very chill
It's
day lang.
gonna be a chill Sunday.
Yeah, chill Sunday.
Kung chill ang Sunday sa Pinas, chill din dito.
Yeah, chill din dito sa LA.
May chill Sunday music din dito. Mga luma din, gano'n.
Sa radyo.
Sa radyo.
Done with the museum and free siya and I had so much fun. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Ang daming magagandang artworks and
Exactong hindi ka lang overwhelmed.
yes, hindi yung parang nakakapagod. Enough lang. We spent like I guess 1 hour lang. Yeah, 1 hour. Tapos may mga binili kaming super cute na may mga books, ganyan. So we're just going to have super late lunch. Tingnan niyo ang ganda ng building, oh. You can see it from here. Ayan. So, we're going to ride the railway, guys. Para ma-experience ko lang daw, sabi ni James. Tapos, Angels Railway pa siya. Cute.
Kasi sa baba, doon na yung marketplace. Parang ano.
Ah, so doon tayo kakain. Okay. Let's go. Cute. Grand Central Market Bazaar. Guys, sobrang sarap nitong chicharon. We are here at Lakma. So, ito museum din to, guys. Pero, hindi na kami papasok dyan. Kami ay magpipicture lang dito sa sikat na picture spot dito sa LA. So, ito siya, guys. It's an art installation, urban light, cast iron street lamps. Good morning! So, we are here at Universal Studios. Sobrang aga namin umalis, guys. 6:30, parang mga ganun. 7 a.m. We're here. 8 a.m. na. So, sobrang aga namin kasi, syempre, para mauna kami sa lahat. Gagawan ko na lang ng reel. Like a reel or maybe TikTok ng video na kung saan kami sumakay, kung magkano and everything. Kasi sobrang haba na ng vlog na to if idadagdag ko pa tong Universal Studios. So, I'm just gonna do a quick video for this. Ililink ko na lang yun sa description box para syempre mapanood nyo din.
Good morning.
Magpa-parking na kami and we're going to start our adventure. We will update you pagtapos na kami dito sa Universal Studios. And yun guys, see you later! Finally back. Actually, 8 na. Tingnan mo si James. Nagtatago sa camera. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa Universal. Anyway, yung mga important details lang. Yung binili namin is yung may express pass. That's around 15,000 pesos. But it's super worth it kasi talagang nasulit namin. Nagawa namin all rides. Better to buy online. So, sa website mismo bumili si James. Huwag kayong bumili doon dahil mas mahal. This is the best Universal na napuntahan ko. Especially dahil may Harry Potter and may Super Mario Studio Tour. Basta maganda, madami maganda. Mura ang food and yung mga souvenir na nabili namin. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll update you again tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Guys, grabe. Ewan ko kung bakit pero pagod na pagod kami from Universal. So we slept at around mga 11 PM. Gumising kami mga 10 AM na. So talagang naalog ang mga katawan ng mga ate nyo. So now we are going to have late lunch sa Bottega. Tama ba?
Bottega Louis in West Hollywood.
Bottega Louis. So nice place daw yun. Nice restaurant, sabi ni James. And then we're going to Hollywood Walk of Fame. Yung mga stars na pink, diba?
And then we're going to Venice Beach.
Gusto ko lang din i-mention guys na hindi commute friendly dito sa LA. So, most people who come here usually rent cars and then they just drive around. By the way, if you have a Philippine driver's license, you can use it up to
90 days.
90 days. So, valid siya dito. So, pwede kayong mag-drive dito. Ito yung area kung saan kami nag-party ni James. Party talaga. But anyway, this is West Hollywood. Kung saan yung mga maraming bars, gay bars. So, I'll show you maraming mga pride na flags. Wait, I'll show you. You can see flag, rainbow flag, trans flag. So, yan, maraming mga rainbow. Yan, mga bars na yan. Here we are, Bottega Louis. Sarap daw food dito, sabi ni James. We have caprese, calamari, and margarita pizza. In fairness, guys, everything's good. Masarap lahat. For dessert, we got macarons and this almond, pistachio strawberry cake. Uy!
Sarap pa talaga.
Passion light.
Para lang sa vlog yan.
Masarap nga. Try mo. Parang airy. O, diba? Masarap talaga.
It melts. Alam niyo na kung sino mahilig sa pistachio.
Me. May mas lodo rin.
Pure Ermaya.
So guys, as you can see, Christina Aguilera, Ricky Martin. Next na punta natin, may James Byrne na dyan.
Robin, this is Hollywood Boulevard. So, nasa, ano kami?
Main tourist area.
Main tourist area. So, just in case, just watch your belongings, please.
Yeah.
Kung may hinahanap kayong Hollywood star, kung nasan yung pangalan nila sa Wacopin, meron silang map. You just look for the map and then you could easily like look for it.
Perfect. Our last destination for today is Venice Beach. In fairness, ang ganda. Pa 7 PM na, pero tirik pa rin ang araw. Hi guys, so we are going to In-N-Out and then Portos to buy pasalubong for Ronan and Kuya Wawi dahil lilipad na kami bukas ng 2 PM. So, yeah, today is a very chill day. Kami ay mag-errands lang, quick errands, and kung ano man makailangan bilhin. Hindi na ako mamimili or magsha-shopping dito kasi mas mababa ang tax sa Canada. So, mas okay mamili doon. And most naman na nabibili dito sa LA, mabibili nyo dun sa Canada. Finally here at Portos. So as you can see guys, ang daming options. Like you have cakes, a lot of pastries. They also have a coffee bar if you want to get coffee. Pero yung bibili natin dito is yung cheese rolls nila. Yun daw yung masarap. So dito tayo sa bakery. Gusto ko yung may presentation pa talaga. Pero ito yung dala namin para kila Ronan. And then, ito naman yung sa amin ni James. I'm going to try the cheese roll. Tapos, bestseller din daw nila to. Dulce de leche. Something. Basta ganon. And then, I got matcha. James naman is coffee, of course. So, taste test tayo, guys. Kung talagang masarap to. It has a lot of layers. Like crispy, and then soft, and then cheesy.
Parang siyang croissant na may cheese sa loob.
Good. Hindi ko siya ma-explain.
Hindi pa ito natikman.
Parang yema na may...
Parang yema na eggnog.
Yema wrapped in eggnog.
Parang ganon. And it's not sweet.
It's not sweet. Off to the airport. Papunta na tayo sa Canada.
Going to Canada?
Yeah.
Cool.
Guys, we're finally here. Canada! Say hi! Ronan and Kuya Wawi!
I was expecting like a Canadian dish, like poutine or something.
Very Filipino food. So may pabulalo at barbecue at bagbagis. Thank you so much, Ronan and Kuya Wawi.
Order na po kayo! For my catering services! Just look for Ronan Domingo on Marketplace.
Another day here in Calgary. Sorry guys, hindi na ako masyadong nakakapag-take ng clips and si Ronan. Naggagas sila. So, dito kami sa Costco. But anyway, we're going camping tomorrow. Yun talaga yung i-vlog ko for sure. So, ito yung farmer's market nila. Very, very organized. And then you can order food from there. Tapos dito naman yung mga local produce nila sa kabilang side. Andito na tayo sa Telus Park. Whoa! Go inside here, space, experience beyond Earth. Going to the Infinity Dome.
Geologists have discovered that ice has been present since the Earth's most distant past. It even played a major role in the emergence of life forms. As it was 2.4 billion years ago.
Baka mo. Nakasama na ang.
Ilang katakot?
When? Achoo!
Good morning, guys! Punong-puno ang ating likod dahil it's camping time. But we're going to have breakfast first sa McDonald's, of course.
And we're gonna try the McGriddle.
Oo, McGriddle. Okay, ito na yung McGriddle. Pancake, yung instead of bread.
Favorite ni Kyle. Ganun. Leta.
McGriddle.
Our first location is Golden Sky Bridge.
Welcome to the highest suspension bridge of Canada!
We're finally here! Ito yung glamping tent namin. So we have a table here. Meron rin tayong ihawan dyan. And then sa loob, so we have 4 beds. Ayan, 4 single beds. Yay! This is just a quick glimpse of this unforgettable trip. I tried my best to take as much clips as I can, but I just really wanted to savor the moment with my bestest friends. I haven't seen them in almost 2 years, and there were so many stories and laughters to be shared. and we indeed laughed and also shed some tears. There's comfort in knowing that regardless of distance, time differences, and busy schedules, we have each other no matter where life takes us.